Hello everyone, I'm Deborah Fit550. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Well, tonight's meal, you guys, is going to be made out of some leftovers, but before you run off, that's not a bad thing. If you need to meal prep, just as I need to meal prep because of the hectic, busy schedule that I actually have, you guys, leftovers is not a bad word, and tonight's meal is no exception. I'm going to take a few leftovers, that being some cauliflower that I actually had the night before, as well as some grilled chicken breast that I had some night before because I had a salad, you guys. I'm going to take those and I'm going to turn these, along with a few additional ingredients, into a chicken fried rice. So if you want to learn how to make this, you guys, stay with me and I'm going to show you how coming up next. But in the meantime, you guys, if you are joining me for the first time, or if you've been here before, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do me the honor of doing so by hitting that subscribe button below. And also remember, guys, to give this video a like and a share. Now, as I mentioned, a few additional ingredients to add to this cauli rice, along with this grilled chicken breast. And we're going to put together a delicious chicken fried rice in a matter of minutes. So join me over at the stove. Okay, everyone, this skillet has preheated. I'm just going to add a little bit of avocado oil to the skillet. And I'm just going to start with heating this chicken through until it's warm, just to get the chill off of it. Because again, it has already been cooked. All right, you guys, now this is ready. I'm going to take it out of the pan and we are going to get ready to cook the vegetables. Okay, now into this pan, we are going to add the green onions and some minced garlic. Give this a mix. And I'm going to cook this until these green onions have just wilted. All right, guys. Now at this point, let's go ahead and add the cauli rice. All right, you guys, so this cauli rice has heated through. Gonna make a little well in the center. Put just a little bit more oil in the center because now we're going to scramble this egg. All right, guys, this is ready to mix in with the rice. Now let's add the chicken back in. Give it a stir. And then let's add in the flavors that we are so accustomed to tasting in Chinese cooking. And that being some soy sauce. And this will also give this rice a beautiful color as well. And last, we are going to add some sesame oil. Now, a little of this goes a long way, you guys. Okay, mix this in. And you guys, just like that, our meal is ready. All right, everyone, and here we have it. And here you have it, a quick and easy Cauli chicken fried rice. Nothing left to do but to bless this food and to give it a taste. Okay, you guys, I told you it was going to be simple, but delicious. Lord, I thank you. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. You guys, this is absolutely delicious. Do not get thrown off or intimidated by the word leftover. It all depends on what you do with that food that you cooked the night before. Took some cauli rice, took some grilled chicken, diced up some green onions, and paired it with some minced garlic. As a matter of fact, if you wanted to add some of your favorite veggies, like some peas and some carrots, you can do that as well. But in a matter of minutes, you guys, with all those things, a little soy sauce, sesame oil, you will put together a delicious meal, and no one will be the wiser that it came from leftovers from the previous night. Give it a try and let me know if you agree. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, and please do share. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you guys, please do me the honor of doing so by hitting that subscribe button below. Again, absolutely delicious. I cannot say enough about this. So you guys, make it your own kind of special, just as I did, by taking some things that were left in the refrigerator the night before and turning it into something spectacular. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy, you guys.